So hello everyone, welcome to Zypher, and today we're gonna type some Linux commands, and I'm using Kali Linux in my case. You can use any other Linux to learn these commands. So let's get started. So as I said before, I'm using Kali Linux, which is nothing but a Debian based Linux. If you ask me what is Debian, well, Debian is one of the most popular Linux distribution which is available in the market right now. Well, first, before get into the learning, you should know what's a Linux. Well, Linux is an open source operating system which is used for many purpose, and it was developed by Linus Torvalds, and yeah, that's it, the basic of Linux. Anyone can build a Linux distribution. You can build your own distribution from, if you having a development programming skill, you can build your own distribution and you can name your own name. And of course, we are building a Linux distribution, and that is called as Redo Linux, and very soon it is going to come into the market, so please support us by subscribing us. So that's it, and now let's get into terminal. In Ubuntu and Debian based distributions, first, if you didn't seen my previous video, which is nothing but the installation of the Kali Linux, which is this Linux that I'm using right now, it is over there. Just click the link over the I button over there, and also I'll give the link in the description box down below. So if you want to open terminal in Debian or Ubuntu based system, Ubuntu is also one of the most popular Linux distributions which is available in the market right now. So Control Alt plus T is the shortcut key for the terminal. Well, this is my terminal. This is how your terminal looks, and over here this is your host name. I'm getting Siddharth because my name is Siddharth, and it's my name, and also my username is Siddharth. And over here you have Kali, which is nothing but a host name which you set in the installation process. You can just go and check out the installation process as I said before over the icon over there. And this is your host name, and this is your username. Make sure that you are in a correct username which is used by you. So from here you can this programming language is called as sudo, and whatever you type over here, you should just follow this command called as sudo. So this is the basic of Linux, and now let me show you a simple code, which is nothing but sudo apt get update. So over here I'm gonna show you something. So this is apt is nothing but the command. You have to make your PC or your laptop understand that you are giving a command, so that's why we are using apt. And get is because this have to get an update. It should give us an update of what is going on over the system. So sudo apt get update, and then hit enter. Over here it asks for your password. You should just type your password which you gave in the installation process. Again, you can see the installation video over the I button over there, also in the description box down below. So over here I'm giving my own password and hit enter. And over here it's just taking all the things over here. So it will give us an update that what's going on inside the system. Is there any upgrades we can do? Is there any package updates which we can update our packages and etc. So it's 32% completed. Usually for some usually in some systems it will automatically get very soon, but in my case it's taking much time because of some upgrades are available. I think some upgrades are available, so it's frozen. And also this is the Kali Linux 2020.2, and this is the XFCE desktop. over here. You can see this is the XFCE, right? Here you can have the XFCE desktop, which is the default desktop environment of Kali Linux. What happened, man? Why it's taking so much time? I just don't know. So let's wait. Let me just pause the video and then I'll continue. Why it's just taking so much time? I think there are many upgrades available right now. 64%, 5%, and also I also got installed the Google Chrome and Tor browser. I'll show you how can you install that. So let's wait. Yeah, why it's taking so much time? Here you can see the this thing, which is nothing but a timer, which shows you how much time left for this process to get completed. So let's wait. We don't have any other thing over here. I hope that it has some upgrades available. So let's wait. Over here everything is a code in Kali Linux, as you can see. Usually when we open a folder or an file explorer, it will automatically get into that, but it asks open in terminal. And if we just choose something like music, and it asks us to open in terminal, but I don't know why it's asking that. So it has fetched it, I think. Okay, reading packaged. Yeah, we're done. So everything is updated in this system. So over here I'm gonna show you how can you root it. Well, if you want to root your PC in Linux, you can just type su, which is used for rooting. But you know what, Kali will automatically set a password for su, so we should change the password, right? So from here let us just go into sudo su, and when you type sudo su, it will automatically get into root at Kali home Siddharth. That's my username, and we're done. So over here let's just get into, just type password, and this will automatically as you can see, there is the new password, and we can set the new password which as you like. I'm setting my own password and retype my password, and we're done. See, password updated successful. And now let's exit and test our password. So if you're having a it's clutter over here, I want my terminal to be very neat, but it's so clungy over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type a command called as clear, and boom. So over here I've cleared it, and now let's type su and type a password which we said before, and boom. So this is how you just set your root password, which is the default root password. Now exit. So that's it, and now let us just see about installing packages. So viewers, and now we're gonna see an installation clip. So as usual, you have to download the zip file from your browser like this. I'm getting into my browser, so this is the browser. My browser is here, and now I'm gonna download, for an example, I'm gonna download Vivaldi browser in Linux. So here it is, download Vivaldi. So over here you have the Vivaldi over here. So let's download the deb file over here. Okay, and if you download a package in Linux, it will automatically just download as a deb file, which is the usual software installation package which is over there in Linux. But Sometimes it will install like this over here. Just see it. See here, and in downloads, yeah, there it is. Sometimes it will download as tor.gz or tor.xz, and this is nothing but it will I'm gonna show it in another video which you can install that. So over here it's just downloading, so let us wait. Sorry for the disturbance, guys, because my brother is sitting over here, so it's downloading. I'll see you after the download completes. I think it will take some time. So guys, it has installed, so let us just get into terminal. In terminal, we have to first locate the package where it has installed. In my case, it is installed in the downloads folder, so let us type cd downloads, and there you go, and let's type ls or list. I'm typing ls, and there you go, we have all these installed items over here. And now over here you have Vivaldi, which we downloaded recently. Let's just copy that, copy selection, and now let us just type sudo, just the sudo command dpkg. Well, first you have to know what's dpkg. Well, dpkg is called as, in the full form, it is called as Debian package installer, and many Linux comes inbuilt with Debian package installer, which is nothing but dpkg. But some Linux you have to type sudo apt get install dpkg, or you can use the original systems package installer, which is available in many YouTube channels, YouTube videos. You can just go and check it out. And now give a space -i for install. Okay, we are going to install, so I'm typing space -i, and then again a space, and now let's paste the selection which we copied over here, and now hit enter. Type your password, administrator password or username password, and hit enter. So over here it's unpacking Vivaldi stable, so it is installing right now. This is how you install any packages in deb file. You have to mention that is its deb file. Any other like tor dot tor.xz, tor.gz will be not worked in this method. I'm going to show you how can you do that. So over here it has downloaded. Now let us type Vivaldi. So there you go, we got Vivaldi installed. So this is how you install deb packages, which is a deb is nothing but a Debian .debian deb. So this is how you get it. Let's open Vivaldi. So there it is, there's Vivaldi browser. Yeah, okay, so that's it. And let us just see how can you get into different kinds of different kinds of folders in your PC, like documents and etc. Downloads. Let's exit, and now let's open it again with a fresh new terminal. And now let's type sudo, no, it's not sudo. Let's type cd desktop. I'm gonna just say desktop, and let's type list. So there is nothing in the desktop right now. If I import a folder to desktop, as you can see, let us just resize it like this. So over here I'm opening the folder. In folder, let's just get into downloads, and over here I have the Android Studio. Let's just get it over there. So here we have one tor.gz file over here. So let's type list again in the terminal, and there you go, we got Android Studio, which is over here. So if we delete it again, like this. Delete. Yes, so if you delete it again, now let's type list. There is nothing over here, and let's exit, or let me do some experiment. Well, it gets into the downloads folder straightly. So downloads, okay, it's not there, so let us just close it and let's open it again, and let's type sudo cd downloads, and we got the downloads folder list, and there you go, we got all the packages which we installed recently. Let's exit, and also we got some apps that we can open directly, and we can install it directly using your Linux terminal like this. See, I'm gonna install an app called as Terminator, which is nothing but a fancy terminal which you can use, which is a user-friendly terminal over here. So sudo apt get, not update, it's install. Okay, sudo apt get install Terminator. So over here the Terminator is the package name, and apt is a command bash, and get is just get it from the package. Sudo is the command name. Let's enter, and I'm typing my password, so it's reading, and so you can see unpacking Terminator, updating, processing triggers, and we're done. And we go to the Terminator, and there you go, Terminator is over here. You can open Terminator. In Terminator we got many packages, many fancy packages, like we can just type sudo apt get install cmatrix. In cmatrix is nothing but a fancy screensaver for Kali Linux. Let's type a password, and then we're done. So let's clear this, and then let's type cmatrix. Creepy, isn't it? Yeah, it's a bit creepy. It's the matrix which is just going on. It's nothing but a fancy matrix. So let's clear this, and now we can install any kind of apps using it, and also we can open any apps, like Kali Linux comes with inbuilt Python coding with it. So let's type Python. There you go, it's Python. You can type any code when you are studying Python, and we are gonna post some Python codings in our channel. Please comment down below whether we can just do Python coding tutorials. Now let's clear this, and that's it for today. I hope I covered everything in this basic commands. Let me show you how can you uninstall an app. I forgot that. So we're gonna uninstall Vivaldi again. Okay, so from here let's just see what's the package name of Vivaldi. Yeah, Vivaldi stable, right? It's just Vivaldi stable. We're gonna type Vivaldi stable, and sudo apt get remove. Okay, we're gonna not type install, it's remove. Okay, sudo apt get remove Vivaldi stable. Yeah, it's Vivaldi stable, and then hit enter, and it's asking for yes or no. I'm typing Y and then hit enter, and when you type it also, it does not get fully deleted from your computer. You can just type Vivaldi, but you know it's not fully deleted right now. So its data will be deleted, but not the source code will be deleted. So we have to delete the source code to free up some space in your PC. Vivaldi, sorry, sudo apt get auto remove. Okay, I think I'm typing correct. Okay, auto remove Vivaldi stable. I think I'm typed correct. Yeah, we're done. So this is how Vivaldi is gone. So I hope I taught you all the basics in this, and also we can have some hacking tools like this. Just see over here, Metasploit. Sorry, MSF console. So this is a hacking tool. Okay, hacking, I'll be showing some hacking tools in the coming videos. So that's all for today, and that's it. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. See, starting Metasploit framework console. So this is an absolute hacking tool. So subscribe to Zypher, and that's it. Please like, share, comment. Bye.